you're new, hi, this is Ashtara. So in today's vlog, I'm going to be doing a review of Alps Goodness products. One thing free in this whole world is subscribing to my channel. I mean, damn free. So as you can see a red box down there, subscribe to that and don't forget to hit the bell. You'll be notified every time I post a video. Okay, with that said, let's go to the video. So the first product that I have is this charcoal deep cleansing face scrub, and before applying this I'll just go and dampen my face. And now I'm gonna apply some. I would rate this product 3 out of 5 because the one thing that I like about it was this oily patch around my nose. I don't have that right now. But the second thing is my skin feels a little dry, I feel. So that's my view, and moving on to the second one. So here I have this rose hydrating face scrub and I'll dampen my face. Now let's open it up. I love the smell. It's like rosy smell. I like the scrub. I would give this product a 3.9 out of 5. Well, I did not find any redness or itchiness. I love the smell, and I wouldn't give it a 5 because the first time I'm using it, and you know. So here I have the charcoal detoxifying face mask. So before applying, I'll dampen my face. So now let's apply it. It's so smooth. I really like the texture. God, I look like Avatar. Nah. Okay, so I'll keep this for another 20 to 25 minutes and then wash it. So I don't have any complaints from this product, but I can't give it a full 5 because it's the first time I'm using it. So I'll give it a 3.5 out of 5. I got these 3 products from Purplle.com. They're from Alps Goodness, and these 3 are 99 rupees each. So my overall review for these 3 would be that they are cheap and they're easily carryable. I mean, if you're traveling, this is a real good scrub and a mask. Like, you can put it in a handbag and just go. They're really comfortable and you can use them. These are each 29 grams. Well, according to me, 29 grams for 100 rupees is a little too much. I mean, according to me, this is my perception. I do not want to discourage you from buying the product. I mean, this product is amazing. You should totally buy it. But this is my view and review. that it's a little too much. Like half the container was filled with air. I mean, we're Indians, man. Thoda और डालो. The face mask, it was really smooth to apply. I mean, it was like clay, you know. It's a charcoal thing. It's not a clay mask, but it's a charcoal face mask. But I really liked it. So yeah, you all should get these. But again, 29 grams for 100 rupees. Yeah, thoda और डालो. I mean, I just love this face scrub ka smell. This is amazing. And that's all for the review today. Overall, the product was cheap, carryable, and also didn't have any side effect. Also, it's suitable for all skin types. So these products work perfectly fine for me as I have combination skin and I did not find any redness, itchiness, or any of that. And if you have sensitive skin or oily skin, before applying it on your face, just apply it on your hand and see. If you're getting redness, do not use it. There are other products. And also, if you want me to do a review of any other products, comment and let me know. I will surely do. And I bought these products from purple.com, and I will leave a link in my description. And also, shout outs to these cuties who commented on my last video. And to win yourself shout outs, all you have to do is like, comment, subscribe, go to my Instagram handle, follow me, come back here and say you're done, and you'll get yourself shout outs. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please do like, comment, subscribe. You know the drill. And by the way, it's all free. Until next time, be bold, be strong, be you. Keep slaying. Bye bye.
Underneath the moon. No, I wanna take two. I wanna break through. I wanna know the real thing about you, so I can see you in a new light.
I usually put it with a brush, but I was too lazy, so I will put this with my hands. Why you stammering? Let's open it up.